Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone 16 must run iOS 18 or later, have an Apple ID signed in, and Face ID or a passcode configured. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 5G network and ensure at least 2 GB free and 20% battery or power. Now, open Settings and tap Apple Intelligence. This is the first actionable step. You do this to allow device processing and personalization. It speeds up responses and protects your data locally. You now enable features and set preferences. Turn Apple Intelligence on, then opt into local processing to keep analysis on device whenever possible. This reduces cloud exposure. Next, pick personalization options, what data to use for suggestions, search, and Siri integration, because that shapes performance and privacy. Make selective permission choices for mic, camera, and app access. Allow only what each feature requires. Once configured, the system will index and learn. This one-time setup can take a few minutes. Finish by letting your iPhone complete indexing, then restart to finalize settings. You'll notice smarter suggestions and faster replies after learning finishes. If Apple Intelligence seems slow or missing features, make sure storage isn't full, background app refresh is enabled, and your network is stable. Also verify Apple ID sync. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence preferences or sign out and back into your Apple ID to reinitialize. This troubleshooting step refreshes permissions and often resolves stalled setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.